Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to play cloud games on Xbox without installing them. So with Xbox cloud gaming you can play games instantly without downloading them. So I'm going to walk you through step-to-step guide on how you can get started. So in step 1, you have to ensure you have a Game Pass Ultimate. Then Xbox cloud gaming requires an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. If you don't have, then sign up at it. Then use the www.xbox.com/gamepay Game Pass to access that. Then on the step 2, open the Xbox Game Pass, press the Xbox button on your controller, then go to My Game and Apps, then click on Xbox Game Pass. Then on the step 3, find a cloud compatible game, browse the Game Pass library, then look for the game with a iCloud icon. Then on step 4, you have to start playing instantly. So click the game you want to play, click on play instead of installed. Then this game will stream directly to your Xbox. No download is needed, and now you can now play Xbox game directly without cloud gaming. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.